What's up, everybody? Thank you for joining us for the second installment of Kabobs of the World. Today, we're trying Russia. Humongous country, the biggest country in the whole world, Russia. And we've got the theme of today's kebabs is dill. Lots of dill.
You didn't tell me this before.
Is that okay?
Let's see. I don't like dill, so if they're good, it'll be spectacular.
Wow. Okay. Because there's dill in everything.
Hey, meat. Bones don't go in kebabs. Get that out of here. I like to use shoulder meat for kebabs because it doesn't dry out. And, best of all, it's really inexpensive. 1-inch cubes will do just fine. First one to arrive at the party, the meat. Ah yes, the onion. My second favorite ingredient, next to garlic, of course. For the marinade, I'm not too concerned about the cut of the onion, just so it has enough coverage. And onion joins the party. And what would anything be without garlic? Nothing, I guess. A nice mincy, and into the party goes the garlic. How about a little salt? Try to envision how much meat you have, and that's how much salt you gotta sprinkle on. That's how many pinches. Just a little pepper. Paprika. And the ever controversial dill. How about a nice big glug of vinegar? A nice neutral oil. All those lovely ingredients, in the darkness it will bind them. One of the times I like to take my gloves off because I love squishing around and mixing with my bare hands. 1 boiling pot, 1 bowl of potatoes. Fill water to cover the potatoes. And then apply lid, and then heat. Ah, the smells of onion and dill remind me of the lush Russian fields of sunflowers and dancing bears. Let's get the skewering.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente. Con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ay. Ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
Ah, butter, water of the gods. Why don't you go ahead and melt some? Potatoes with butter. Well, why don't we go ahead and drop some? Salty potatoes. Why don't we sprinkle some? And pepper. Oh, and don't forget the dill.
here we go. We tried it on that new grill. And
Oh, that was so cool.
yeah, did you guys like that? How it just unfolds? Totally easy. Totally simple. You know, guys, I love Kiss. Kiss.
The band?
No, not the band. Kiss. Keep it simple, stupid. I try to live my life by that principle.
You do.
Yeah.
He does.
Oh, so, all right, so here we go. We have potatoes.
Okay.
Let me go ahead and serve, lady.
Thank you.
And these have, this is pretty simple, butter, obviously dill, salt, pepper. And I'll give some to myself.
Okay.
And now, for these kebabs.
What is this?
Oh, so this is my special sauce.
There we go with that. Ketchup?
like it?
Ketchup-y?
Ketchup is the base. Tabasco sauce.
Mm-hmm.
And wouldn't you know it?
Dill.
Dill! Okay, so may I?
Yes.
There we go. Don't need that anymore. Just get a little bit of that. All right, everybody. Andrea?
Okay.
Let me get some of this
I
special.
got.
Let me get. All right. Let me get some for myself. Okay. You ready?
I'm ready.
Russian kebabs.
Okay.
I hope I got it right.
Let's see.
Here we go. That's the flavor I was thinking of. So guys, the vinegar definitely has a nice tang. It definitely balances the flavor out. Definitely lots of flavors in it. The dill definitely adds a little bit of freshness. Would you agree to that?
I do. Can I try the potato?
Yeah, let's try the potatoes. Ready?
They're very good.
Good?
I love potatoes.
We love the potatoes. Well, guys, as I usually say, kebabs remind me of summertime, happiness, family and friends gathering around
The grill.
the grill, outside, picnics, and everybody's happy. And Andrea, isn't what happiness is? It's just what it's all about, right?
Good food.
Yeah,
fun.
that's right. So I try to avoid the other emotions in life and just stick to happiness. So guys, thank you so much for joining us for the second installment of Kabobs of the World. And if you like it, you can hit this icon right here. If you like that grill, you can go ahead and click the link in our description below this video and get actually a discount. It's totally awesome, and especially if you go camping or if you like portable stuff, and if you like Kiss, like me, it's great to have. So anyway, thank you
for tailgating, I have to say.
Tailgating, that's right. Yeah, they would be awesome for a lot of things. So check it out. Thank you so much for joining us, guys, and bye!